Hey everyone, my name is Vlad Katrinescu, and I'm here with my good friend Daniel Glenn. How are you doing, Daniel?
I'm doing great. Hello, everyone.
Hey, so Daniel, why are we here today? Why are we doing this video?
We're here to talk about our upcoming workshop, the Ultimate Starter Kit for Microsoft 365.
We're really excited to present this at the upcoming EduCon conference. Some of you previously might know this under the name SharePoint Fest, same exact conference, just a new name to talk about all of the really potential apps in Microsoft 365, because it's not only about SharePoint anymore. And that's a bit kind of brings us to the topic of our workshop. A lot of people have experience with SharePoint on premises, or maybe they only worked with SharePoint Online Classic, which is not what SharePoint and Microsoft 365 is today. So, what are some of the things we'll cover, Daniel?
Well, we are going to give you an overview of the cloud tools that are in Microsoft 365. So you're right, this is about those beginners. If you're just getting started with Microsoft 365 and you want to know more about what is included and what do these apps do, what do these services do, then this workshop is going to be for you. So we're going to cover an introduction to all of those services, give you an idea of what collaboration looks like in Microsoft 365. And then we're going to hit some of those meatier topics with Teams and SharePoint.
As well as even go further and talk about permissions and talk about the Microsoft 365 group permission model, how you can share things with colleagues, because I mean, collaboration is all about sharing and working together to achieve the same goal.
That's right. And if you have been, even if you've been using Microsoft 365 for a while, this workshop can help you understand how do those groups help you collaborate internally and externally. What does that look like for your organization? So we hope you will join us for this workshop.
And if you attend the rest of the conference, this workshop will really make sure that you got that solid foundation. So once you have that solid foundation, you can use your time at the conference to attend more advanced sessions and ask the right questions to the right speaker, because again, you'll know everything, how it's used, what's its purpose, so you can go into specific use cases for your organization. So we really hope to see you there.